Welcome to TradesViz. We'll show you how easy it is to navigate and explore trades using TradesViz. As an example, let's look at a price range profit and loss chart. To explore a chart, click on a data point and select Explore Trades. Here, you will be able to see all the trades made between the range of $2 and $5. You can also select multiple data points to view trades made in multiple price ranges. Similarly, you can also apply these data points as global filters. Now let's look at our dashboard again to see what have changed. All charts, tables, and statistics are updated automatically based on the applied filters. Exploring trades individually via charts is also very easy to do. Let's take the example of a day group chart. These charts show you statistics such as profit, number of trades made, wins and losses, grouped by your trading days. We'll explore this data point and see what trades were made. This trade looks interesting, let's check it out by clicking on the target icon on every row in the trades table. This is the Trade Explore view. It shows all your trades details such as profit, total volume, duration, risk statistics, static charts, and more. Don't like static charts? Don't worry. We've got you covered. Simply launch an interactive chart from any of the charts you created and you'll be able to explore charts bar by bar. It's also possible to view your entire trading day simply by clicking on the View Trade Day icon on the same page. Market events, IPOs, and trade summaries – you've got all you need to plan or look back on a trading day all under one roof. TradesViz is highly versatile and a feature-filled platform that's easy to use for traders of all experience levels. Join now, for free at tradesviz.com, and explore your trading edge.